In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Drive. Whether it's for collaboration or simply reconnecting with someone, managing who you've blocked is straightforward but essential in ensuring smooth communication. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you've accessed Google Drive, it's important to ensure that you're signed into the correct account. You can do this easily by looking at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't personalized it. Simply give that a click. With that done, you'll see a drop-down or a panel appear. Here, you'll want to select the option that says Manage Your Google Account. It might sound like a simple drop-down, but this is where you'll find all the essential settings for your Google account, so it's always a good point to start for any account-related changes. Next up, you'll be redirected to your Google account settings page. Don't be overwhelmed by the array of options available. Your focus should be on the left sidebar of the page, where you'll find various categories. The one you're looking for is labeled People and Sharing. Give that a click to proceed. Once you've accessed the People and Sharing section, scroll down until you spot the Contacts section. It's here you'll find a crucial item labeled Blocked or Blocked Users. Click on this link to proceed to a list that displays all the accounts you've blocked across Google products. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of everyone you've chosen to block, intentionally or otherwise. Now, simply scan through this list to locate the person you're looking to unblock. It might take a moment to find them, but rest assured, everyone you've blocked will be listed right here. Once you've found the person you would like to unblock, there's just one more step to complete your task. You'll notice a small icon next to their name that looks like an X, or it might simply say, Remove. By clicking this button, the individual will be unblocked and no longer restricted from interacting with you on Google Drive or other Google services. And there you have it. Unblocking someone on Google Drive is as simple as that. Whether you were previously collaborating with them or just reconnecting, you can now freely share files and communicate as needed. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other tutorials we have to make the most out of your Google services. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.